What day did chickens hate the most? Fry day. Hey guys, KRB here, and today we're going to test and review Southern style fried chicken in the air fryer by Divas Can Cook. Now, if you're like me, you probably love fried chicken. Unfortunately, fried chicken isn't always conducive to my waistline. Enter air fried chicken. Now, before you make this, you need to get out of your head that this is going to taste like real fried chicken. It might look like fried chicken, but it's not going to taste or smell like it. With that being said, let's jump in. As you might imagine, most of the work for this recipe goes into the prep. We have to mix a bunch of seasonings together as well as make an egg wash and a flour bag to toss the chicken in. All in all, the prep time took about 15 minutes and 3 drums takes about 18 minutes in the air fryer. So total cook time, we're looking at about 35 or 40 minutes. Let's break it down. Difficulty. This recipe was very easy and I had no problems whatsoever following along. Smell. While it doesn't smell like real fried chicken, it still smells dang good. Cost. If you have all the dry ingredients, you pretty much only have to buy eggs and some chicken drums, which will easily put you under the $5 mark. Taste. It tastes just as good as it smells. Very, very good. I would highly recommend you give this a try next time you're looking for a fried chicken alternative. The link to the original video is in the description. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and as always, I hope you have a fantastic day.